Hi there, welcome to this presentation on the dangers of the Classpath. So in this presentation we're going to build on the previous one where we spoke about using third-party libraries or jars. So let's recap what we have here. So over here I have my source demo main Java file, which is exactly like I had in the previous one, but I added this at deprecated annotation as we saw we had some compiler warnings and I just wanted to clean those up. So other than that, I just compiled it into my classes directory and made my jar. So let's run it just to make sure everything's good. So I can say java c, oops, not java c, but rather java-cp lib demo jar and lib common slang, and let's run demo.main. So here we go, all is good. And of course we know that if we don't include this common slang, we'll get a no class def error. And there you say, no class definition found. Great. So let's edit our file and change it just slightly. So I'm going to go ahead and say import java.math.star. And I'm going to go ahead here and change our example just a little. So let's say string text equals hello with a little exclamation mark, and I'm going to say if math.random is less than 0.5, only then capitalize it. So how, let me just remove this, or rather say if math.random is less than 0.5, go ahead and capitalize. Oops. There we go, text. Okay, this looks innocent enough, but let's see what a major difference it might make when we use the class path. So let's go ahead and remove my classes directory, and I'm also going to go ahead and remove my jar. Alright, and here we have only a lib with my common slang and the source. So let's go ahead and say java c-d classes -classpath to be my common slang jar and do my main file here. Alright, that compiled just fine. So let's go ahead and make a jar. So jar --create --file lib demo jar, and then here we're going to go ahead and say change to the source directory or to the classes directory and get the contents there. Great. So here we have pretty much how we started, and let's just run it. Java-cp lib demo jar, and let's go ahead and say demo.main. So as you can see, we get a no class def error found like we expected, but if I run this again, or maybe one more time, the joys of making things random, as you can see here I ran my code and it worked just fine. It outprinted hello, even though I did not include my Apache Commons in the class path. This is particularly dangerous as sometimes we might develop and release code and it may seem like it's working, but it has not reached a part where it needed to execute maybe a third-party dependency like so, and this causes big problems. For instance, if you get woken up in the middle of the night due to a null pointer exception, you can just simply add a null check and go back to bed. But if you see a no class def error found all of a sudden, you need to go back and hunt down where did this jar get excluded or from the class path. So this is one of the downsides of using the class path, and in future presentations we're going to see how the module system introduced in Java 9 helps us with this problem. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this useful. Bye.